Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Vin Mary. Today's topic guys is all about tutorial tayo kung paano how to use the Powedirector when I'm editing my intro. Let's get started. Clear the screen. Then you press here. This is the you can find here the music, the audio track, the video, and also the download, also the images. And you can choose here. We need to put a color board here, the color board, and you need to choose what do you want color. For example, this, you click this, and then next choose other color that you want, and then click the plus sign, and then the other color. We try this pink color, plus sign, then click, then the orange. We try this orange, and then I try to use a photo saved from my gallery. Then I click, when I choose a photo from my gallery, I need to click this, the picture here at the middle. You click this, and then you need to choose from your gallery. And there are the categories. There is a line, photos from the line, and PixArt, because I have an application, PixArt, and also the messenger, photos from the messenger, and this is the screenshot. I choose this. Actually guys, this picture, I edit this from the PixArt, so I try to use this as my intro. And this, we need to short this. Just click it and tap. And do you see the blue one? Oh, I'm sorry. I'll tap this, and also we need to make it short. Then tap the three board, and then this, only tap. And do you see the blue one? This also, and this. And if you want to change the position, just tap the board, then drag into position that you want. This example, this. Oh, I'm sorry. And after you, we try it. It's look like that. So amazing. And if we want to introduction or some effects, we need to try this FX at the lower part. This, then we try, then we choose another FX. We try this. Oh, I'm sorry, we need to go back to our edit project. And here we try this, another FX. We try this. There's no changes. We try to choose a transition. We try this transition. We try that. Yeah, that's its example. We try, and we choose another transition. That's so low, great. We try this. And about this, oh, that's great. We need to click the plus sign when entering here, the transition. Oh, we need to click on this, and then plus sign, and then we try this, the last one. We need to play. What's the of this? Okay, we try. If you want to put transition, you need to click this, the film image. This, you need to tap it. Then you must go to transition. Then tap it, and did you see the plus sign? Then tap it. Then as you can see, transfer to our project. So let's try. Okay. Next, we need to put some text. Title of my channel. You can choose any other font text here. The text that you want, to put in your project. We try this. And this. Okay, that's good. Then you need to put your name of your channel. If you want to write in your text, you need to click this. Then if you click this, do you see on the screen Powedirector, and then click inside, then you can see this on your screen. Then you need to type your text here. Then for example, you want to put your name of your channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. To my channel. Then after you finish to write your text do you want to put in your project, do you see the pencil here on the right corner? Just click it, and there is an option. This is the color that you want to put in your font text. You need to choose it here. Just click it, and this, you can adjust it, the color that you want to put on your font text. Like this, the green. If you want green, just slide it. That's good. And this, just adjust, slide. And this. And this is the font. You need to choose the font that you want to put in your project. For example, this. We try this. We need to if you want to change another, just click this, and you will see in your screen this. Just click it, then you turn to pencil again, and then you want to middle. This is the middle, and this is the, if you want to put in the font in your right, just click here. and here in the left side. And if you want italic, then this is the bold. If we try to the bold, then click it. As you can see, that is a bold. And if you want to some shadow of your font, just click here. And you need to adjust the distance. What distance that you want to use. In the shadow. Okay, that I think that is good. Then we try it. Then we need to adjust this. Just press down and drag this, the blue one, the position that you want. And here we need to put our channel, the name of our channel. If you add another text, just go to this layover icon, just touch, and you need to click this title. We need to choose another. Yes, we try this, we play. Oh, okay, that's great. I choose this because that is amazing. So we need to click the plus sign. Then write the title of our channel. Then we need to click this pencil. Then you choose, you have an option, the font text that you want. You try this and this. That is, go back to pencil editing apps. Then the font base. Then we need to put a shadow. We click this at the lower part and click the shadow and adjust the distance. And this fill shadow. You need to, that's great. And if you want to change a color, just go to the color and select the color that you want to fit in your project. This, that's bad. I think that is better. So let it save as, and we try. Oh, okay, that's great. So we need to add a color bar. Adjust the, then we go to here, music and video. On the top, then we need to choose this on the music. Here on the top, image, then click the color board. And we need to add some color. I want color board. Just click here. And then go back to our project. We try one more time. We need to adjust this. If you want to adjust, just tap the blue one and then you can adjust it. We try once again our intro project. We need to adjust this for a better one. A little space. Okay. And if you want to add some image, if you need some add or an image, just stop this, the play button, then go to the day over icon, just click here, then you select this image, then in the image, then screenshot, hit this, I get this, I want this I put on my intro. Go back to our project. Now, okay, we need to adjust here. You can recite it. Just tap like this. Only tap the image. And then you can adjust it like that. In the position that you want. Just drag it. The position that you want, put an image. And this is the resize. If you want it small or big, just tap it at the button. Then okay. We try again. I think that it's nice. If you want to add a music, just click here, the audio track and the music sign. Click here, and you need to choose the music here. Just click it. Then you choose the music one, and here's the music. By the way, I downloaded it. Then you need to we try this. If you want to add this music, just click this plus sign, then automatically go to your project. I think the music is too short. We need to adjust it. Our project. I need to adjust a little. Or this. I think that is music. Wait, just the music. And this. We try again this. I think that's good for my introductions in my video. We need to save it. Yeah. If you finish, just click on the top, save project, the option. You need to save project. Then if you want to produce it, just click on the lower part, produce. And save it to the gallery or SD card, just click here. And produce. And here is in your gallery. Then that's it for today. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learn from my simple make intro video. Bye.